Top 5 Best Google Chrome Alternatives. Google Chrome is the most widely used browser in the world. And of course, it has real problems that a significant number of users have decided are worth leaving for. Now, memory usage that slows down computers with multiple tabs opened, privacy concerns around Google's data collection, a synced ecosystem that ties you deeply into Google's infrastructure in ways you may not have realized you opted into, and increasingly, a browser that feels like it is optimized for Google's interests as much as yours. The alternatives available in 2026 are genuinely good, not compromises you make to escape Chrome, but browsers that are better than Chrome for specific use cases and sometimes better for most use cases. And these are the 5 best options. The browser market has diversified significantly in the last 2 years. Major alternatives to Chrome fall into 3 categories: privacy focused browsers that minimize data collection and tracking, performance-focused browsers that handle many tabs and heavy web applications more efficiently, and feature-enhanced browsers that add capabilities Chrome does not have natively. Now, all 5 browsers I'm covering are free and available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Most also have mobile versions to them. So, let's talk about the first and foremost alternative. Now, the first alternative that we have is, of course, Firefox. Now, Firefox by Mozilla is the most established Chrome alternative and the one with the strongest combination of privacy, performance, and ecosystem maturity. It's open source, which means its code is publicly auditable. Security researchers can verify the privacy claims rather than taking Mozilla's word for them. It has a large extension library that includes most of the extensions available for Chrome, so you are pretty much unlikely to go ahead and lose functionality by switching. Firefox's enhanced tracking protection blocks known trackers, cross-site cookies, and fingerprinting scripts by default, meaningfully more privacy protection than Chrome's default settings. The Firefox multi-account containers extension allows you to isolate different browsing contexts, work tabs, personal tabs, and specific websites, so they can't really share cookies and tracking information across contexts. Now, performance has improved significantly in recent Firefox versions. Memory usage with many tabs open in competitive with Chrome. And on some systems, Firefox handles tab-heavy workloads much better. The Sync ecosystem uses a Firefox account rather than a Google account, which keeps your browsing history, bookmarks, and passwords out of Google's data collection. Now, for users leaving Chrome primarily for privacy reasons and who want the most familiar browsing experience with the least change in how they browse, Firefox is the easiest transition you can go with. Now, Brave is going to be our next choice because Brave is the browser that takes the most aggressive stance on privacy and ad blocking. And for users who care most about those two things, it's the strongest option available in my opinion. Ad blocking is built in at the browser level, not as an extension that loads and runs on top of the browser, but as more of a core feature that actually goes ahead and, blocks your ads and trackers before they are properly downloaded, which also meaningfully speeds up page load times on ad-heavy websites. Now, Brave's built-in ad blocker removes ads across the web by default, including YouTube ads, which is something Chrome requires an extension like uBlock Origin to achieve. Now, the browser also blocks social media tracking buttons, fingerprinting attempts, and third-party cookie tracking out of the box. Brave has a Tor integration for private browsing as well, which works pretty incredibly, and it gives you a pretty, standard and straightforward way to get the Tor anonymity network for maximum privacy when needed. This is a feature that normally requires a separate Tor browser installation. Brave also has a reward system where users can opt in to see privacy respecting ads and can earn cryptocurrency tokens. It is entirely optional and doesn't affect the browser's privacy performance if you choose not to use it. So Brave on the Chromium engine means Chrome extensions work natively, so switching from Chrome to Brave requires no adjustment to your extension workflow. Moving over to our third decision is going to be Arc. Now, Arc by the browser company is the most visually and conceptually distinctive browser on this list. It reimagines the whole browser interface itself rather than just improving Chrome's existing models. Tabs are going to live in a vertical sidebar rather than a horizontal tab bar. Spaces are going to organize different browsing contexts, work, personal research as separate environments within one browser window. Notes, mini apps, and a command palette for navigating everything replace this traditional toolbar. Now, Arc's interface takes longer to learn than the others on this list because it genuinely acts different, not just as an improvement. Arc also has built-in AI features like an AI sidebar that can summarize pages, answer questions about what you're reading, and assist web research. So for users who want AI Assistant naturally woven into how they browse rather than access through a separate chat interface, Arc's integration model is worth experiencing. Moving over to our fourth alternative, we have Vivaldi. Now, Vivaldi is, I'd say, the most feature-rich browser on this list. It is specifically built for people who want granular control over how their browser actually is going to behave. Okay, it works absolutely spectacularly with tab stacking, split screens tab viewing, built-in notes, a built-in email client, a built-in calendar, and also a built-in RSS reader, and a highly customizable toolbar that works efficiently. So for users who currently use Chrome with a large collection of extensions, Vivaldi consolidates much of that functionality into the browser itself. Vivaldi's privacy stance is also strong, with no data collection, no telemetry, and built-in tracker blocking. Now finally, the last browser alternative that I'm going to be giving is a little unconventional, but it is Safari. Now, Safari is the only Mac and iOS exclusive on this list, but for users on the Apple devices who have not considered it as a Chrome replacement, it deserves serious consideration. Safari's intelligent tracking prevention is among the strongest tracking protections of any major browser. Its energy efficiency on MacBooks is significantly better than Chrome. Battery life difference between Chrome and Safari on intensive web can be 30 to 45 minutes on a laptop battery. Its iCloud keychain integration makes password management seamless as well. So the 5 best Chrome alternatives serve different priorities. Firefox for the best balance of privacy, familiarity, and ecosystem maturity. Brave for maximum ad blocking. Arc for a fundamentally reimagined browsing experience, Vivaldi for power users who want maximum feature density, and Safari for the basic Apple-only users. So these are the 5 alternatives. Use them around, see which one is good for you, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.